Welcome to Property Care. Today we are going to discuss about NRI tax liabilities with respect to rent payment. So I have customers, those who are renting out from different countries in Bangalore properties. So they are renting out their Bangalore properties sitting in a different countries. I have customers in US, UK, Canada, Abu Dhabi, Australia. So when they rent out a property in India, sitting in abroad as an NRI, what is the tax liabilities? How do they calculate the tax liabilities with respect to rent collection? And what are all the tenant tax liabilities? So this is the idea behind today video. So since it is a little longer, so I split into two videos. The first video for us with respect to tenant, what are all the tax liabilities? That's what we are going to discuss today. Next week, I'll put another video. What is the tax liabilities with respect to NRI who is the owner sitting in abroad and renting out the property here? The TDS liabilities of NRI owner and Indian tenant. They are basically an Indian resident living in Bangalore. Their property owners are living in abroad and they rented out from the NRI owner. This is for residential properties. Target audience are property investors, owners, tenants, NRI, and OCI. The disclaimer here is the idea shared here for information and education purpose only. More details need to connect with the auditors and collect the information. If any challenge, we also have auditor. We can help you to get this information. Please connect with us. We will connect a right auditor. To walk through this concept, I took an example of Kiran, an NRI living in Australia, renting out his prestige villa to a corporate tenant Prem in Bengaluru for 2 lakhs per month. As a owner and tenant, what are all the tax liabilities for both of them? So here the Kiran is the landlord or a owner who is renting out his villa to another corporate tenant for a rent of 2 lakhs per month. So on this case, what is the tax liabilities with respect to owner and tenant? So this is the given scenario. So in this case, he is paying 2 lakh rent. According to the law, on the tenant liabilities, I captured it as step by step. So the first we should check is the NRI status. So is this Kiran staying in abroad more than 182 days? So the moment a person stayed more than 182 days, he is automatically comes under NRI category. So there is no status has to be assigned to him, nothing like that as per the PIMA Act. So we should conclude that person is an NRI with crossing the 182 days. So according to the section, TDS has to be deducted 31.2%. So whatever the rent, it may be a 10,000 rent also. According to the law, the tenant has to be deducted that much, tax and pay balance to the owner. The TDS tax deducted at source. It's not actually a tax. So we are deducting from the source and paying to the income tax department, and the owner has to file return and claim this back. So that is the process. So 31.2% has to be deducted. See, in this example, 2 lakhs is the rent, and the 31.2% is 62.4K is the TDS amount. Balance 1,37,600 supposed to be paid to Kiran from the tenant. So this is the actual as per the law. He is complying it. Suppose if he pays full rent to owner, so he is violating the law. So third step is apply TAN with the PANs. So owner PAN number, tenant PAN number, this has to be submitted and created TAN, tax account number has to be created. This can be created online. An auditor also can help you to create this. And this is required to file quarterly filing through Form 26Q and pay TDS against the owner PAN monthly via Challan 281 ITNS 281 in TIN NSDL website. There is a government website. In that we should go and choose this Challan number and pay this TDS before 7th of subsequent month. Suppose if we are deducting on 10th and paying the rent to the owner, next month before 7th, this should be paid to the government through this website. file TDS return Form 26Q quarterly with the TAN, PAN, and monthly paid Challan data. This data, ITNS 281, and once you submit this, there is a Challan can be downloaded, acknowledgement, and that data and TAN number. With these information, we should file Form 26Q every quarter. Issue Form 16A TDS certificate. This is called Form 16A is a TDS certificate should be given to owner for his tax claims. So he can see that Form 26A is on his login, whether these credits are happening under his login also, he can check it. So whatever the TDS deducted, he can offset those TDS against his tax liability when he file income tax return. This should be given to owner within 15 days after filing the Form 26Q. So non-compliance, those who are not doing this, 1% interest will attract and the penalty up to 200 per delay day, and the notice also will be given by the income tax department. So if they suspect any activity of this 7 is the file Form 15CA. This is a self-declaration in income tax portal saying that so and so person and I am the person. I am declaring this so and so rent, and Form 15CB, this is certified. This should be a CA certified if rent exceeds 5 lakhs per year. So here is 2 into 12 is 24 lakhs per year. So on such case, the CA certified Form 15CB is required to make remittances. This is foreign remittances to NRO account of the owner, which is Kiran. So on such cases, this CA has to be certified. Yes, you go ahead and pay against pay into the NRO account of the owner. So that certification also required from CA. So with these steps, and then the NRI and tenant both are safe with respect to tax liabilities. So, and these whatever the deductions happening, the 62.4K is an only TDS. So this is tax deducted at shows, and when he file a return, which is Kiran, when he file a return, this all amount will be shown against him as tax deducted. Whatever the other income, if he shows that, or he can, if he don't have any other income, it will be offset against the tax liability. And whatever the tax refund will be issued in case if he is eligible for a tax refund, and income tax department will refund that money to Kiran account after deducting the actual tax for that particular financial year. I will put another video with respect to owner responsibilities, which is next week. I'll put another video. So this is some YouTube videos I put it, useful ones for in investment, sale, and rental and management. Useful videos. You can watch for that more details. So this is our vision, mission, what we do, and core values, and property management, real estate services, and franchisee plan also we have. We will be launching this soon. This is our service catalog at a high level. It is a self-explanatory. So this is a book I'm writing mainly for traveling guys who wanted to invest in India and what are all things they need to take care of capturing it. So there are some business partner requirement, and these are all the requirements, and I put a separate playlist for more detail. Please watch for that, and if anybody interested, connect with us. We can work collaboratively for a win-win. If you have any requirements of property and selling the property, you can post in our portal. And we have a Play Store downloader, the Android version of app can be downloaded by searching this. And if you like this video, please give thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell icon. And a comment if you have, please put it. We are happy to help you. And share with friends and family, those who are renting out property, from remote location to in India, anywhere, not only Bangalore or even other location. This will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.